Hello guys again. Today we're gonna change the speakers on the Nissan Juke, and we have a trim removal kit from Parkside. So double thing.
Double thing today.
So you have to remove that plastic from there,
And there's a screw underneath.
and there's a screw underneath.
Easy peasy. Screws out.
So I think you can lift the whole thing up,
There it is.
and then I'm gonna use the multi-tools from here, the trim removals, to remove the other things.
Yep.
Let me try it again. You just pull out.
Yeah, I was just afraid of breaking it.
Yeah.
That's all.
I'm gonna break it. So it has to be now a little bit more.
Has to be one there.
I want to see if that trim, you see guys,
That comes out.
that comes out. You don't want to break it.
Hold it.
Here, let me have a look. Hey, yep. It's not broken, it just fall out.
Out.
Just want to see if the door has another thing. No, it doesn't.
I can't see a screw, but there is a chance it's on there.
Yep. And it has to be one more.
There's one, but not there.
Okay, so be careful with the switches.
Switches on the wire in that. Obviously, you guys can't see. I can see them from here. It just clips.
Yeah.
Clip on. You can take them
So-
out if you like.
We're gonna take them out.
Or not.
I will. I just want to help myself because I'm gonna scratch.
It's just the angle is wrong.
Yeah.
If you come this side and I hold the door, maybe it's easier for you.
Yeah. Just want to turn it around.
Oh. Yeah. So I can't reach. I think we will just have to work around it.
Yeah, the speaker is naked, so we will see when we remove it, but it's naked. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Yep, it's a 10.
10 exactly.
Should be an easier way to remove this panel, but we don't want to disconnect the extra tabs on the switches. So Zoe is holding the
whole panel.
panel. There is a button here that you press, release the speaker, We're gonna try to find something to push it. And it comes out. There it is. And the last screw on top. Yep, and you should be able to remove the speaker from inside, and the speaker is completely fried. Now it moved, but
that explains why sometimes I thought.
yeah, now it's sticking again, so it was burned down. So we have some Zenio speakers from Nissan. Obviously, as you see, they work well, and we have the gasket. So you just keep in mind that this facing this way, and we're gonna install it back in. So he's holding the panel because I didn't want to remove the switches. You will say on the comments you could easily just unplug the battery and do that, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna work around it. And one more up there. That one is gonna be the weird one because it wants to hide its own way. I'm gonna say that's good. Yeah, it is good. And of course we're gonna put the plug where it was.
Yeah, if you don't put that in,
it's not gonna work.
It ain't gonna work.
And we have one tab that we have to remove before we install the rest, or a couple of them. There's one up here. Very handy. We're gonna install back the tabs where they are missing on the door. Very easy to just push them in.
Yeah.
And we're missing one.
I think I dropped one from that side. Yeah.
From here. And we're missing one more.
Two.
No, there is not on two, it's one. The other one is here.
Oh. I decided to stay on the car.
Yeah. So we don't have any missing ones. So we're gonna put it back together. You just put it in position. Be careful with this sensor here.
Yeah, careful, got anything in my hand.
Yep.
Yeah, on it.
And we're gonna click it in place.
Get it lined. I think I've lined it up as much as I can.
Yep.
This one.
Yep. There it is. Be sure that it's clicked, and then you put
Yep, it looks like it's in. And then you
this
just
beauty. Just be careful with the sensor. And
put the little thing back.
yeah, and then we're gonna put just this thing with a screw and the tab, and it should be all assembled.
It's a bit, you have to line it in.
Or it's gonna push itself in. That's another way. Yep, and you put your plastic in. And we don't want to stress you with the other door, so we're gonna do the other door.
Yep.
And we're gonna do a sound test. And now we're gonna do a sound test and check that the speakers are working finally, because we couldn't make them work before.
Yeah.
So let's test it. So we have both sides working as they were working in the past.
Yes.
So it's great that we have a success. So we're really sorry that we couldn't show you the exact procedure how to change the speakers because we couldn't remove the switches.
Yes, but practically you get the meaning of it. You have to carefully take the door panels off, and then literally there's like 3 screws and a wire clip basically.
Yes.
So you just like disconnect obviously the wire clip, get
And
the screws out, replace the speaker. Do not forget to connect that wire again, because you'll have to take the
Yes.
panel off again.
yes, and that trim remover from Lidl, it was good.
Yeah,
it was
it's
good.
good.
So it did the job. We didn't break any clips. Of course, they brought replacement clips, but never mind. This is the video.
Yeah.
I hope you like it. If you find it that it was useful, consider subscribe, and see you on the next one. And again, if you feel that we didn't do the correct job, we made it work.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks guys. Bye.
Bye.